There, I got the 4 holes drilled. We'll mark that center hub and we'll go get the torch and we'll blow that out. There, I got that gear clamped in the vise. We'll take the torch and blow that out. And like I said, that's not a precision opening, it's just so that nut can pass through there so you can still get at that nut. So if I'm off a little bit there, we're okay. Well, there, I think that's going to work. They'd have to file it a little bit, hit it with the grinder just a little, but I think we're going to be okay. There, that should fit over there. We just got to get them bolts out, I think. So here's our modified sprocket. We got the 4 holes drilled, got that hole through the hub bigger. I know it ain't pretty, but that's all it needs to do is get over that bolt. So I think we'll be fine. Let's see here though. Yeah, I think we'll be all right. But we're gonna try to get them out. But we're gonna let that penetrating oil do its thing overnight. Well, that's about all we're gonna do for today. We're gonna let that penetrating oil do its magic overnight, and we'll come back tomorrow, and hopefully we can, between the reverse drill bits and an easy out, hopefully we can get those, at least one if not both of those broken studs out of there. So well, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you back on the other half of this video. Well, hi everybody, I'm back. Tommy tells me we had no audio during that entire reassembly of the maintenance buggy here. He told me to watch the little bars on the back of the camera to tell if the microphone was working. Well, I listen about as well as he did when he was little, so we had no audio during that entire segment. So I'm just going to kind of do a little wrap-up, explain what we did here. He's going to have video before this of actually putting it together, but there is no audio to go with it. So I'm just going to explain briefly what we did. We put, you saw in the first part, we took the other sprocket off, reassembled it with the new sprocket, drilled holes, cut the center hole bigger, and put the new driven sprocket on. We put the new drive sprocket on. All that turned out fine. Cut a length of chain. We bought a 10-foot length of chain, and you kind of got to cut it to your length. I think this is about 38 inches long. And it looks like maybe I got it a little looser than I would like, but I can tighten this up a little bit. So yeah, that's what we did. It seems to work fine. One thing I don't like is it's a little loud. That chain makes some noise. So that's it for this episode. Hopefully the audio worked this time, Tom. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. That helps us a lot. And I'll see you later.